Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk to you in this video about top 5 best lift kits for F250 Super Duty that you should buy. Let's get started. First on the list is the Readylift 662726. Maybe the brand of the car, how much, the pros and cons are what people will easily know. However, not everyone is knowledgeable about the spare parts of a car, and that is an extremely important thing. If you choose a product that is not good or suitable for your vehicle, it is really bad for the overall vehicle. Surely, when you refer to this list as if you are looking for a lift kit, it makes sense to look at the Readylift brand. According to our survey, the brand's product range is often at the top of the list of popularity. This is a most famous brand in the industry. With this 2.5-inch equalizer, you can get a perfectly symmetrical look with your pickup. Second on the list is the Readylift 462727. Next, we would like to introduce you to another great lift kit. This is a great set of levels and unique front suspension softening. This 2.5-inch lift kit helps you replace the parts on your F250, F350 or F450 Super Duty 4WD 2011 to 2016 truck. It differs from other options because this option includes a 2.5-inch front coil spring lifter, Bilstein's front shock absorbers and front track bar bracket. After this set is installed, the back of your truck is maybe half an inch taller than the front. You'll be able to add your 35-inch tires without further modifications. That's what many people really want. With clear instructions and the quality of the components in this kit is excellent. You will not regret buying it. Third on the list is the Street Dirt Track. Are you exhausted by constantly replacing broken or prematurely worn equipment? You will be able to rest with this SDT lift kit. SDT is a combination of performance and endurance to meet the rigorous needs of professional drivers or even extreme adventurers. It will help you surf more on the roads you want to go, upgrading from inferior parts to superior, reliable components is what this user has rated. You can lift your truck and save money with SDT. This is the best and budget-friendly lift kit for the F250 2019. It will help you flatten the front of the truck by 2 inches. Fourth on the list is the Airlift 88396 LoadLifter 5000. This is an air spring lift kit that enhances your current suspension system for your safety and comfort when transporting large loads. It is truly an ideal lift kit but is also compatible with F350 and F450 4WD. There are several options to choose from with this kit. This particular model has an air spring with a bouncing bumper and can handle 5,000 pounds. This is not to say it is a difficult installation, but you need the necessary equipment for the installation. You just need some basic tools, wrench, wheels, torque wrench, floor jack and stand. Fifth on the list is the Supreme Suspensions. Another product that will surely impress you, as it is also at the top of the vote for a lift kit for F250. It is built as a T6 aircraft-grade aluminium leveling kit for excellent strength to weight ratio and excellent corrosion resistance. Annealing process with a yield intensity of not less than 35,000 psi and specially coated gaskets for a great look. This product will give you a better experience with the vehicle you are traveling at and will extend the life of your vehicle. Precision machining ensures an accurate fit for every F250. This acclaimed lifting kit contains 2 carbon steel shock absorbers, 2 solid plain workpiece coil springs that help reduce road squirrel and impact, Supreme Pro package, mounting hardware and user manual. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.